Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a UK TikTok account. So I'll be teaching you on how to create a new UK TikTok account without you using VPN or a phone number. So what do you need? You'll be needing a new Gmail that you have never used to sign up into TikTok. So once you've gotten a new Gmail, open your TikTok and click on sign up. If you don't have TikTok, you can download TikTok from your Play Store or App Store. So once you are done downloading, you click on sign up and it is going to bring you to this interface. So once you are on this interface, look at this interface very well. You will see Nigeria. So we need to change the country region. You click on this Nigeria, and once you click on it, type into this search bar United Kingdom or whatsoever country you want to create. So United Kingdom, can you see that's changed to United Kingdom? So can you see this space? Continue with email, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with Google. So don't click on continue with number, that phone number. So click on continue with email. Can you see? Now type in that new email that you created. Type it in. So if you want to sign up to their newsletter, you can. So you click on continue. So can you see? So they are going to send you a code that you are going to type in here to verify your email. So once you type in the code, ensure that you select your original birthday, because if you make a mistake here, once you get to the point of monetization, it can take and require a lot of effort before you rectify it. So ensure that you select the accurate date of birth. Don't backdate it. Ensure that you make use of the date that is on your NIN, your official date of birth that is on your NIN, because later on when you hit monetization, you'll be required to verify your account with your NIN. So can you see, after that date of birth, all you have to do is to type in your password. Type in your password. So once you are done typing in your password, all you have to do is to type a name, like your nickname. You can just type in maybe the name of your brand, if you're a content creator or whatsoever. So type in your nickname. So for me, I can just type in something casual like Suzanne Talks, just an example. Can you see it has been created? Don't add your phone number. Can you see it has been created? This account has been created. So how do I confirm that it is truly a UK TikTok account? Go to details that should be on your phone. Can you see? It should be white content. Can you see? Now another way to confirm.
These two can just work.
Click on this 3 hamburger sign here. So go to settings and privacy. Click on account information. So can you see account region, United Kingdom? Can you see? United Kingdom. So that's that. And ensure you don't add phone number. Let it be. So that's all on UK TikTok account creation. So all you have to do is now to click on this and upload your profile picture. You can also edit. Click on edit, write your bio, what you intend doing, and the likes. You can always change your name and your username at intervals. So that's all. So all you have to do is to start posting. I already showed you how to verify if the account you created was correct. You go to this 3 hamburger sign, you click on settings, account information. Can you see? United Kingdom. And another thing is to check if you have the creators reward program. So you go back to studio. So can you see this? You click on this 3 hamburger sign, click on TikTok studio. Can you see? You must have the creator, this monetization. Can you see? This monetization must show in your TikTok studio. So all you have to do is to meet up with the requirement. So can you see? That's all on how to create your UK TikTok account. So kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next tutorial.